doing this intro. So I'm sorry guys, but I need a blanket. Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to my journeys. Ew, it's me again, I know. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna start the intro. So yeah, hey everyone, welcome back to my journeys. So today's journeys we are going to be going through the challenge section. So I'm going to be trying to make DIY fall room decor with just like random stuff I bought at the Dollar Tree. Like I didn't even know what I was gonna make. So it's like a DIY challenge, something like that. So yeah, spoiler alert, I fell in this video. So not like fail, like I actually like fell, but like failed. Like I like. Never mind. Bye bye. Leaving. So the first thing you need to do is cut leaves. The second thing we're gonna do is put happy fall to them. And then the third thing you need to do is like tape them to a stick that was on the leaves. And then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do that to all of the leaves. And then you're gonna get string that is orange and get like two of the same length and like tape them like weird ways. And that's how I did my first DIY. The second thing I did was a fall vase, which is like just fake leaves that look like fall and stuff that remind me of fall, like pumpkins and like different colored leaves and scarecrows and stuff. So yeah, I just put all those things together and try to make like a fall vase, I guess you can say. And yeah, this turned out pretty good. I like this one. It wasn't really like a DIY, but I mean like, yeah. And then the third thing I tried doing was like a cute little pumpkin cupcake, I guess. And you're gonna need paint, a brush, and then glitter. So yeah, the first thing I did was paint it like if it was dripping, and this did not turn out well because I had a really huge brush and I didn't have any small ones. And then I added glitter and that did not work because it didn't want to stick to the paint. And then later on the paint chipped off. Literally guys, do you guys see that? Do you guys see how big of a fail that is? So yeah, and then I just put happy fall on it just to make it look a little cuter. And like the pumpkin had really like weird like stuff on it, so it was really hard to spell that, so I just like gave up and just did it randomly. Alright guys, so my favorite thing was of course this one, because like it actually looks like I bought this from the store. Like it's just like so beautiful, like, but the back though. I didn't have super glue or a glue gun. Well, I did have a glue gun, but I ran out of glue sticks, so I had to use tape, of course. And it actually came out really good. But just these strips of tape that you see, I still need to cut those out. But yeah, this is my favorite. Second favorite has to be the fall vase. It's very fall-like, I guess. This needs to get back in, like it's like popping out, but okay, whatever. But yeah, I like this one, second place, of course. And then last place, oh my god, my blanket, my bad. Last place was of course this one. Like, what is this? Like, the paint is literally like taking off, like, or falling off, or cracking off, whatever you guys want to say. But like, what is this? Like, I mean, it still looks good from far away, but close up you're like, girl, what'd you do, you know? So yeah, here's a quick montage of the things. To the end. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never say you can't do something unless you really try saying you can. Alright, bye, love y'all.